Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing of a cross-stitch kit. It's been a while since I've posted a video. I've been incredibly busy with my life, so I didn't have time to really upload anything. But today I have a very small unboxing of a cross-stitch kit by AliExpress. So as you can see, it's still completely sealed, so I'm going to carefully open it. And I'm making sure I don't cut into the actual design or anything. So this is what I got. This is a Dream Pattern cross stitch in 18 count. So it's a 23 by 19 centimeters. And it's called the Oval Happiness Tree. I think this is a solid color one. The back contains some instructions for without pre-printed fabric cross stitch, so how you can count, which is nice because I haven't done a counted cross stitch before. I've only done pre-stamped cross stitch so far. Like I said, it is one color. It's only 326. With back stitch 326 as well. So here you can see the pattern and the canvas as well. It contains two skeins of floss, both 326, and it also has two needles in the top of the fabric. So it basically contains everything you need. It does say it's 110 by 89 stitches. It doesn't really give you information how to stitch. Oh, it does. 14 and 18 count is 2 over 1. One strand for the back stitch. And as far as I can see, it's only back stitches and full stitches. So just 2 over 1. So it should be fine. And as I said, it's a solid color. So I think this is a pretty good kit to try when first starting out. And by the looks of it, it is 1-on-1. So I think this is to scale about how big it will be. So it's nice. It also gives you the number of the kit the fabric belongs to. So it's J230, which is also J230 on the pattern. So I think all in all, it's a pretty good kit. Contains everything you need. 18 count Aida, your pattern, your 2 skeins of floss, and your 2 needles. The only thing that I would have liked to maybe see included is a needle threader, because that makes life just 100% easier, but even without it, it's manageable. I do have one at home. So yeah, I think this is a pretty good kit. That was my unboxing of this Oval Happiness Tree cross stitch kit from AliExpress. I will link all the details down below. And that was it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing down below if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos. But for now, have a nice day. Bye!